Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and fit at your home. I Rakshit Manglani, your science sir, welcomes you all at the MS YouTube channel. Our today's learning topic is pollution. As you all are aware, pollution is harmful for our body and as well as for our environment. It makes our environment very dirty. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन अराइज दैट हु इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर पॉल्यूशन. ये पॉल्यूशन हो कैसे रहा है? ह्यूमन बींग्स आर द मेन कॉज ऑफ पॉल्यूशन. यस, हम ह्यूमन बींग्स ही मेन कारण हैं पॉल्यूशन का. एज वी आर वर्किंग इन द फैक्ट्रीज, द स्मोक कम्स आउट and we are using number of vehicles, from that also smoke comes out, which is unfit for breathing and it causes to air pollution. People are throwing waste in the water and in the soil as well. It causes water pollution and soil pollution. On festivals and on occasions, people are playing music on a high volumes. It causes to a noise pollution. In short, human beings are responsible for the pollutions and they are making, or we can say we all are making our environment very dirty. For satisfy their needs and for selfish reasons, they are cutting down the trees, which leads to global warming. Pollution is the release of substance into air, water or soil that are harmful to living things. These harmful substances are called pollutants. Pollution is a big environmental problem. The main kinds of environmental pollution are air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution and noise pollution. Now we will discuss in detail about each pollution. First one is air pollution. Most of the air pollution is because of burning of fuels to run vehicles and smoke from the chimneys of factories and power stations. The smoke and harmful gases pollutes the air. जो smoke है वो पूरा air को pollute कर देता है. And excess of pollutants in the air makes it unfit for breathing and result in a number of diseases of the respiratory system. Many people living in areas with heavy air pollution suffer from problems in breathing and lungs damage. There are many effects of air pollution. As I told, many diseases also happen. Problem in respiratory systems, lungs damage. Also it will increase in the temperature, removal of the ozone layer, effect on animals. What we have to do to control the air pollution? Avoid using vehicles, use public transport. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा हमको public transport use करना चाहिए. Vehicles and factories are being forced to install machines to convert poisonous substances into harmless ones before releasing them into air. Grow more and more trees, as trees help to remove carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and release oxygen in the atmosphere. Now second one is water pollution. Water gets polluted when waste from industries and farms and sewage. What is sewage? Sewage means waste water mixed with human waste from homes and hospitals is thrown into rivers, lakes, oceans and streams. There are many effects of water pollution. Waste from factories contains poisonous substances which affect and often kill fishes and other water animals. We can also fall ill when we will drink this water or we eat fish that is affected by it. What we have to do to control the water pollution? Don't throw plastic items and garbage into the water bodies. Many of people throwing the idol of God into river which is made up of POP. POP, that is plaster of Paris, which makes the water polluted. Now third one is soil and land pollution. Farmers are using chemicals to kill weeds and insects. They also use fertilizer to grow more crops. Farmers are using fertilizers to grow more crops. Fertilizer means जिसको हम खाद बोलते हैं. When they use too much of these chemicals, the soil gets polluted. When it rains, these chemicals get washed into wells, rivers and lakes and poisons the drinking water. Farmers प्लांट्स ग्रो कर रहे हैं तो मीन्स प्लांट्स ग्रो होते हैं टॉप सॉइल पर, तो उनका केमिकल्स और जो उन्होंने फर्टिलाइजर्स यूज़ किया वो सारा टॉप सॉइल पर होगा, और जब बारिश होगी तो वो टॉप सॉइल सारी रिवर्स में, लेक्स में और पॉन्ड्स में चली जाएगी, और जो केमिकल्स की वजह से पानी पूरा पॉइजनस बन जाएगा. पॉइजनस वेस्ट फ्रॉम फैक्ट्रीज, इट ऑल्सो समटाइम्स buried in the land and pollutes it. We throw solid waste such as plastic bottles, plastic bags, glass bottle, old machine parts, rubber tubes and tires and cans in garbage dumps. These cannot be easily destroyed. Plastic does not rot for many hundred of years. If plastic is burnt, it gives off poisonous fumes which in turn can cause to air pollution. What we have to do to control the soil and land pollution? Farmers have to reduce the use of pesticides, avoid plastics, proper wastage of disposal, convince your elders that they have not to throw garbage here and there, they have to use dustbins, and you all have to follow the same. Now last one is the noise pollution. Loud noise from vehicles, loudspeakers and machineries can harm people. It can cause high blood pressure and deafness in the people and animals as well. Living near airports can be very harmful to the ears. Even loud music causes too much of noise pollution. What we have to do to control the noise pollution? Don't honk unnecessarily. हमको फालतू vehicles की हॉर्न नहीं बजानी चाहिए. Use low volume of horns in your vehicles. As we know, our today's generations are using different types of horns in vehicles, which creates lots of noise pollution. Don't play music loudly. Avoid crackers at the time of festivals. Now, why I have taken this topic, pollution? There is reason behind this, as our whole nation facing a big problem and we are following the rules of lockdown. But in this, one benefit we are having, that the pollution is reduced too much. जैसे कि अभी हम अब घरों में बैठे हैं तो कुछ फैक्ट्रीज नहीं चल रही है, व्हीकल्स यूज़ नहीं कर रहे हैं, तो उससे पॉल्यूशन बहुत कम हो गया है. Scientists have predicted that there's a hole in the ozone layer due to pollution. What is ozone layer? The layer which protects us from the ultraviolet rays of the sun. But now our mother earth is healing itself. जैसे ही मैंने बोला कि अभी हम अपने घरों में बैठे हैं, फैक्ट्रीज, हम व्हीकल्स यूज़ नहीं कर रहे हैं, पॉल्यूशन बहुत कम हो गया है और ओजोन लेयर का जो होल है वो अपने आप प्रिपेयर होता जा रहा है. सो इट्स आवर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी दैट आफ्टर दिस सिचुएशन वी हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ आवर एनवायरनमेंट. नाउ मूविंग फॉरवर्ड टू नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज. आवर सर्वाइवल ऑन द अर्थ depends on the things that we get from our environment. We get many things from our environment like air, water, soil, food, fuels, material for clothes and materials for building houses from our environment. The things that we get from the environment are known as natural resources. Means जो चीज़ें हमको नेचर ने गिफ्ट दी है उसको बोलते हैं नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज, और इसके बिना हम सर्वाइव भी नहीं कर सकते हैं. वी आर यूजिंग मोर ऑफ दीज नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज टुडे देन वी डिड सम ईयर पास्ट. आजकल हम लोग ये नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज बहुत यूज़ कर रहे हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वी आर यूजिंग मोर पेट्रोल एंड डीजल टुडे बिकॉज ऑफ लार्ज नंबर ऑफ फैक्ट्रीज एंड व्हीकल्स. जैसे आपको पता है कि पहले की जनरेशन में बहुत फैक्ट्रीज और व्हीकल्स नहीं होते थे, तो इतना पेट्रोल और डीजल यूज़ नहीं होता था. बट आजकल की जनरेशन में बहुत सारा व्हीकल्स हैं, बहुत सारी फैक्ट्रीज हैं जिसमें बहुत पेट्रोल और डीजल यूज़ करते हैं. साइंटिस्ट प्रिडिक्ट दैट द पेट्रोल एंड डीजल अवेलेबल ऑन द अर्थ will be run out during this century. Century means 100 years. Also, we saw earlier, we are polluting natural resources such as air, water and soil because of our activities, and for our selfish reasons we are cutting down the trees, which causes a global warming. That is called a deforestation. Deforestation means cutting down of trees, and afforestation means to grow more and more trees. So it's our responsibility to grow more and more trees, because trees gives us oxygen and it removes carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Now what can be done to save our natural resources, and we have to protect our environment. Scientists are trying to use wind and solar energy instead of fuels like coal and petroleum. Besides, the use of wind or solar energy does not cause any pollution. Cutting down of trees is being reduced and more trees are being planted to conserve soil and wildlife. Trees, I told earlier, trees help to remove carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and releases oxygen from the atmosphere. Organizations such as World Wildlife Fund, that is WWF, and the International Union of the Conservation of Natural Resources, that is IUCN, encourage people to save forest and wildlife. I have taught you about pollution. I hope you understood the term pollution and its harmful effects for our environment. Thanks for watching this video.